We are now onto the earring findings. That's all about connecting our earring pieces to our ears. So you may find a few different types in your kit, and I'm going to go through all 3 of them now so that you can see how to put them together. So we've got our stud backs here, then we've got our earring hooks, then we have our earring hoops. So the stud backs, we're going to need some glue. We use our toothpick as well. What we want to do is pop a little bit of glue on our piece of paper. Then we want to use the end of our toothpick and smear a little on the back of our earring back. Then we want to place the glue where we want to place the earring back. I always go for the middle top of our pieces. You just want to push that down, and then we'll let it rest. You want to leave that for about 10 minutes before you touch it, and wait about 24 hours until you wear those. The next one is our earring hooks. Now those we need to attach with a jump ring. But the first step is we are going to need to turn this little loop around the other way, just a little twist, just so that it sits correctly. So you just want that at 90 degrees there, so that goes down and it's flat there. Then use our jump ring, and we want to connect it to this piece here. So what we'll do is we'll open up the jump ring. We'll use our 2 pliers, open that up. We'll place our hook on there and the piece here. We'll close that up. Now we have our hook. And the final way is our hoops. Now those go on like this, and these are the easiest ones of all. You just unhook these, you place on the piece, and you close it back up. Now depending on what earrings you make, you may want to place a few different pieces down there. You can place chain straight on, and you're good to go. So now we have it, the 3 different ways to connect your earrings to your ears. So we've got the studs, which you use glue for. You use hooks, where you use a jump ring and do a little twist on the end loop of the hook. And then you've got the hoops, which you simply slide on. Now enjoy making the final piece of your earring.